you download the version for your system and you install it. Once the installation is over, you can go to this page, download from here the package, and in the meanwhile just go on this website, which is already open here, and download the software developer kit from here. Of course, I already did all of this, but just to be clear, I already have the VirtualBox software installed. You need to have it, but this is an dictionary part which you need to install. So let's go back to this. From here I have the SDK we just downloaded. The version I already had was this one, so I extracted this version, extract all, and this is what it gives me. Go inside the SDK installer and open the GMD on Windows. Here just go inside the installer folder, and if we check what's inside here, there are those two files. So now it's just following the procedure as is written here. Go to this page, download the VirtualBox SDK, extract it, and go inside this directory. Then run this command. So Python VirtualBox API setup install. Let's press enter. Alright, everything is installed. Now let's check if I already have my package. Yes, I have this one. So extract all, extract. Okay. Now let's go inside this folder. To install this, just copy this command here. Make sure you are in the right folder. So VirtualBox-snapshotter master. And then install. Why it's not copying this one? Install this. So Python -m pip install -r requirements, and this command should install all the libraries needed to let this script work. In the meanwhile, I wanted to thanks this library here, which is the PyVbox 2.0, which has been implemented by those two guys, me, Jay Dorma, and Seth Michael Larson, because without them my script wouldn't be possible. So let's close those two because we don't need them anymore. Okay, now that my installation is over, I can try my just installed script. I'm inside the script directory, so here is the main. I run it exactly how it's written here, so Python main and then the name of my virtual machine, which it's already here. My Metasploit table it's running, and it has no snapshot for now. So let's go here, let's write Python main and then Metasploit table, run. Now it should fail to delete a snapshot, but it should take the daily one. This failing is normal because there is no snapshot already in this list, but as we can see, the snapshot is here. So this was it. Just try it and enjoy it. Let me know if everything goes well. Just a couple of recommendations: try not to use it on a machine you never ran, and that's it. Write me if you need any assistance on anything. Hope you enjoy it.